Hi, my name is Shivani Vora. I'm a part of career, talent and feedback track of HR in a managerial capacity. Currently, I head Smart Survey initiative and was a part of team that conceptualized and developed it in early 2013. Talking about Smart Survey, it is a process of collating effective, constructive and integrated feedback from the employees that is crucial to the ongoing development and growth of the individual as well as the organization. It is one-stop solution to launch new surveys, monitor existing surveys, analyze data for individual surveys and process data across multiple surveys. That provides action-oriented approach to deliver the outcomes of the survey. The tool is built around three key pillars: self, my managers and work environment, against which the feedback is captured. Smart Survey stands above its predecessors and indeed any other survey tool in the industry in several respects. Firstly, it has significantly reduced survey fatigue by almost 80%. That is, the number of statements an employee now has to answer is only 20% of the original numbers. It is more than just a survey tool. It is a comprehensive development platform whereby employees and team can work on insights of feedback received through key competencies, specific suggestive actions in a structured and systematic manner. The most significant achievement is the trigger mechanism built in Smart Survey, by which the system can intelligently and proactively trigger a survey to an employee when he/she undergoes an event change in his work context. This allows the feedback to remain focused, current and therefore relevant. In its first year of launch, Smart Survey received outstanding response from senior management and employees. Over 60% HCLites received enough feedback from their key stakeholders like managers, team or peers. More than 50% of HCLites received enough feedback for their individual reports to be published and got guidance on how they could become better professionals by leveraging their passion and strengths. Smart Survey at HCL is evolving to become a social platform where employees will be able to share best practices and experiences. This information will be extracted by the system to create a development map for employees to improve on common competencies. It is also evolving to become a learning system where the system will be able to intelligently adjust thresholds based on new data to focus action planning on vital few. Also, the system will be able to infer from the wisdom of the crowds which survey questions to modify, that is, decide which statements to retain or drop from the survey set. Smart Survey never sleeps. In other words, it is perpetually live and at work seeking feedback from employees, thereby cementing its place within the fabric of the organization as HCL's premium platform for giving and getting feedback.